Why does 1 in range 2 equals true evaluate to false? I came across this expression, which I thought should evaluate to true, but it doesn't. Above statement works as expected, but when this is executed, it evaluates to false. I tried searching for answers but couldn't get a concrete one. Can anyone help me understand this behavior?
One in range 2 equals true is an operator chain, just like when you do 0, 10, 20. For it to be true you would need 1 in range 2 and range 2 equals true. To be both true, the latter is false, hence the result. Adding parenthesis doesn't make an operator chaining anymore. Some operators are in the parentheses, which explains 1 in range 2 equals true works. Try. Once again, a good lesson learned about not equaling things with equals true or not equal false, which are redundant at best and toxic at worst. Try to write. It has to do with parsing and how the expression is evaluated.
If you want to say more, please consider subscribing.